Dang it. Forgot to put my dry bag in my kayak.
Inside your what?
I put my dry bag in my kayak.
Uh.
Paddling off without it.
You said what?
Looks like I still remember.
That's good. Whew. Same. It's been a while.
I think it was like a month and a half ago. I chose to be really dumb.
Uh-huh.
I decided to do Dylan lava
Yeah.
for the first time at proper flows. Kind of semi off the couch, hadn't paddled in like a couple weeks.
Uh-huh.
And in a brand new adventure. I got my shit rocked.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Where at? On Dylan?
I just kept flipping.
Oh, yeah.
Like my Dylan line was fine. I just proceeded to go into every single one of those big holes.
Oh, it's the afterwards. No, that's the hard part. It looked like the guard hole on top of Dylan. Was that guard hole difficult or no?
I didn't do the right line. I did the
Yeah.
left line.
Yeah, okay.
I'm trying to go into the slight into that you know, there's a chute hole, right?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Went straight into that, surfed it for around like 20 seconds.
Oh,
Feet down there.
damn.
Somehow didn't swim. But yeah, no, I was close to swimming.
You know, I was actually like really surprised this winter how much fun this is during high flows.
The Willamette?
Yeah. What I would do is just like park and go some like Autzen, you know, where the bridge is?
Yeah.
That spot, you know, the center, all those rocks become huge holes, like big wave holes. Like you can surf them, you can hit them, you can like, it has service back into them. It was so big that, and I was by myself, that I, you know, was very careful because a swim there would be terrible.
Yeah.
Because of how, like, the water is fucking go. It's...
And you'd be separated from your boat.
Yeah, I mean, I always felt comfortable just, you know, not trying to do too much, but And that spot next to my house, behind Tio Pepe's, there's like a restaurant on River Road called Tio Pepe's. That spot is like, it's really good. Like even normal flows, I would say it's the best rapid on here just because it has service back.
Bullshit. Cotton candy exists.
Cotton candy, yes, cotton candy is good, but cotton candy doesn't have the best service back into it though.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
As long as you catch that eddy, it's pretty easy. And then, you're calling it I don't know, I've become a big fan of cotton candy.
Yeah. I'm also like partial to the spot being, you know what I mean, right next to me. You know, if cotton candy was the closest thing, that I'm sure. I don't like that cotton candy, you have to like put in a good amount of work to get back to it. You know what I mean? Like from your car.
Yeah. Right there.
I'm sure. That's a sick, the way that design, it's pretty cool with the flat front and back like that.
Dude, and it's just actually.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that's the issue with the old school half size. I mean, full size. They're sick.
Yeah.
So I just never have fun.
Yeah, it looks fun. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw a little more air. What's up? You can do a couple more. You can do a couple more. Oh, I'm good, yeah. Yeah. That's.
How hard is it to like spin that boat out?
It's not the spin, it's the like point of no return on the tube. And so like you can brace out of a lot, but like once the tube gets to a certain point where like the air is like the boat shape is the other side, then it just flips it.
No, I meant more like to avoid that.
Oh, like spin. Oh, okay. I get what you're saying. Yeah, totally.
The wave where I was like never really straight. That's kind of how you have to surf that at the place. And it's super dynamic and super fun.
Oh yeah, it quickly like turns you. So like when it turns me side, instead of trying to side surf it, just let it go.
Well, you just spin it out.
Yeah, just
like you.
Yeah, like go with the momentum.
Yeah, you kind of go with the momentum, and then from the other side of the way, you flip back around. Like out on the other side. And I don't know how easy that would be in.
Oh, you can spin out on it. You can just spin.
Yeah, I just hear this like
I was just like, I don't know, like in those situations there, I just like always try to practice surfing my way out, but I'm also like making myself stay in it. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah. Trying to like stabilize surf your way out of it.
Like let it work me and get out of it, you know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
but I don't like, You know what I mean? Like, I don't try to get out of it. I just go until it spits me out, you know what I mean?
Do you want to go back up or do you want to keep going?
Probably keep going just because it's, I gotta still make it back. Yeah. What is it? Oh. That's cool. I don't think I can do it. I can't. I don't know how to get the tail up in flat water. I know people do it, but
Yeah, I know.
you just gotta really, like, I guess.
Yeah, I don't know. I know for like plastic boats, the way you do it is you go at the object sideways, and you like kind of throw your bow down and then back up.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, there you go. I see. Yeah. Down and then up.
You're gonna get a lot less
Momentum. Yeah.
At least for classic kayaks than you will like going at it sideways.
Oh, yeah.
And that way you get it up way easier. Either that or I hear there's a little blue pill that helps.
A little what?
Either that or I hear there's a little blue pill.
Yeah, last year I actually came here and I was checking out that left channel right there, you see, straight up to the right.
Yeah.
And at high water, you see that rock shelf just below at the very end that's like just sticking out? That thing right there is probably one of the biggest holes I've seen. Like, it, you know, really, I think it was like 25,000. It was just like all the way across, just glass. Just,
oh, that's yeah.
It's crazy. I'll show you when we stop. I'll show you. I got a video of it. Actually, that side over there at that flow was sick. Like,
I'm sure that's the way to go.
a big booth, like hole, like big wave trains and. I know. I need to try the newer boats because, like, I've only paddled old hard shells. Like, I've never tried a newer style kayak. What are you paddling for, like, stout stuff?
Depends on the type of creek.
Uh-huh.
I have my medium large Indra and my sport dogs.
Okay, nice.
Like, those two boats are kind of like range capsizes and like medium larges. Where it fits me perfectly.
Okay, nice.
But yeah, I don't know. I think if you're looking for like a newer hard shell,
Uh-huh.
for you I I'd recommend a Nar.
A Nirvana?
Yeah, because they're gonna be like predictable and they're not gonna like take their ass off the couch.
Yeah.
Like the Ingras, the Sport X's, they're really capable boats, but they're like
You have to be.
you have to be used to them.
Yeah, totally. Yeah.
So like whenever I'm coming off the couch, the X will kick my ass. And then after it kicks my ass, but yeah, they're just really aggressive edges. Kind of narrow. They're pretty wide. I think like
Okay.
but by modern creek boat standards, they're
Yeah.
not very wide.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, I seen Brian paddles a Scorch, and he was telling me, explaining it to me a bit, just like how it's like not as stable, you know, very like user dependent.
Yeah, they're fast twitchy boats.
Yeah.
So like, if that's the type of paddle you prefer, that's super good. But I found I feel off the couch after like a week and a half. Like, it'll really start kicking my ass. But boats like the Nar, honestly, like Clutch.
Yeah, the Clutch, yeah.
Those are predictable boats that aren't going to be trouble. And like, you should try a bunch of Nar boats. Like,
Yeah, I know.
I just think, especially like without the two kids and not being able to get out.
Yeah, exactly.
Like the ship time, the Nar.
Yeah, I know that like if I got in a hard shell and got a good roll, like I would progress so much more, but I just haven't done it yet.
The solid roll is where it's at.
Sorry.
That's what got Woods so good.
Yeah, exactly, yep.
He got him to like running class 4 plus with no roll.
I know.
And then as soon as he got a roll, he was like, oh,
This is easy. Yeah, totally.
It was funny though. He would literally like style everything around it to fucking flip on an Dude, I still hate flipping over so much.
Do you? Oh yeah.
Alright, Griffin. I need you to if I swim.
Oh my god. You'll be hitting your head first. You might be knocked out.
Go for my boat.
Yeah, totally.
That's where my boat is.
What? Oh, what's there? Oh, did it? That's cool. What's that?
In a slicey boat. It's my favorite river hazard.
What's that?
I really like throwing
my favorite river hazard. Oh, is it? The one that's right where? Which one?
Yeah, not the super like tall one.
The one that's like coming out into that eddy right there? Okay, yeah.
You can literally just like paddle out, flat it. I even like pulled my skirt once and then proceeded to almost
I don't know if it's high enough, but there's like a little ledge just below this, like right in the middle, and at certain flows it's really sticky. Like Really sticky.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know what I'm talking about?
I don't.
It's
I
like,
don't think I've ever been at flows where it's in.
oh, okay. There was a couple of times towards the end of winter that I came here. It wasn't that high, but like I swam multiple times on it because it just is, it'll never let you go, like unless you know, work your way out of it. But yeah, it's just a big, you know, boulder slab that
There's a part of me like, I don't want to do something dumb, but I think it would be
oh, what's that?
like, I want to go into it like in a live bait scenario, but there's a part of me that wants to like just straight up go into like the weir
Oh yeah.
and post a video of me getting beat down and then be like, damn, you really has a terrible white one.
You know what's crazy is when I went to scout that thing at those flows, that thing, it went, but like if you fucked it up, like you would be dead.
Oh no, some of my buddies were there in that water.
Yeah,
They say it's good stuff.
you could splat those giant, the top of them. Like that's how high it was when I was over there. Like it was like a 20-foot booth. Like
Yeah, but I feel like if a video of me getting beat down in there
yeah, maybe they'll put it into a whitewater park.
with me like ranting about how shitty
Yeah, totally.
like water park is.
I mean, if people die in it every year, I don't know, but that's the thing. No one sees the video of the people dying, so.
Well, that's why I don't do it.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
understand people have died there.
Yeah.
So it's like, it's super disrespectful, but at the same time, I think.
Holy shit though, why do they just leave it? You know what I mean? Like it's crazy to me that they just, everyone's okay with it. Just.
I think the only way that like about it is like good.
Yeah, totally. Yeah.
But no, and all that stuff.
Oh, totally.
You go into it, make that
I wish we had a whitewater park. It would be so sick.
Dude, it would, and that's the perfect place to make it.
It's such a good spot. And what's awesome is that like we have good, predictable, reliable flows. Like it would never be dry, you know what I mean, like out or. Oh, this log, you mean? This one right here?
Oh no, the one across the river.
Oh, okay. Over on the right side?
Yeah.
Did you want to go over on that side?
Nah.
Okay.
It's too much work.
Yeah, it is a lot of work.
Especially from here.
Yeah.
Like, I'll usually only go to it if I commit early.
Yeah. I do like the spot just below that with the little hole that's to the right.
Yeah, I think I've only gone down that way at super high rock.
Okay. There's a little surf hole to the right after the bridge. Miguel, to the right, just to your right, look.
What? Oh, I know. It's actually kind of fun. I'm not... Cause like I'll be able to do that in my creek bed.
Yeah.
As long as I don't get water in it. But there's always that worry that one of my asshole friends is gonna
yeah, totally, and just fill your boat.
Try to dip an edge. Being the assholes they are. Also, I love how I say that as if I wouldn't be a
yeah, totally, exactly. That was fun.
Yeah? Good bite.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready for some real whitewater. Whew. Hopefully,
Whitewater
hopefully soon.
or full slice?
Yeah, for real. I mean, this is kind of like a full slice.
I mean, more of the way that I feel like it would challenge you.
Yo, no, I know what you mean. I know that like the hard shell is it's the way. Like if
I don't even mean like for like creaking and shit.
Oh yeah.
I think stick to what you're comfortable with.
Yeah. No,
The summer where you're not going to be as engaged in the spud.
yeah, totally. Yeah, you're right. It would make it more like fun and challenging.
Yeah, and that's more what I mean, because if you don't like hard shells, then you don't like hard shells.
It's not that I don't like it. You know what I mean? Like it's just about the roll mental aspect. Like it's the mental side. It's not even the, it's like the accepting of being underwater and that you're like all right, you know what I mean?
Oh dude, that's why you get a good roll. I hate being under.
Oh, do you? Okay.
I don't know if you hear me every time I flip.
Yeah.
I'm very stoked on it.
You do it so much that I expected that you liked it. I'm just
There's
kidding.
a reason I'm always like, ah! Or if I really don't want to get wet, sometimes you'll hear the ah! The little bubbles.
This is kind of cool too. I gotta try this sometime. I'll last one wave. Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Thank you, sorry about that.
Yeah, don't worry. Trout?
Nice.
Oh, yeah. It's on my lunch break, so I just kept
Yeah. Same.
Wait, this is your lunch break?
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah, I just pack up everything in my car from work. Just leave from there.